Design systems. 1. The force known as friction may be defined as the resistance encountered by one body in moving over another. 2. In practice, lubrication is often used to reduce the friction force between surfaces. 3. In some engineering applications, wear occurs when two solids move over each other in air without a lubricant. 3. Tribology is defined as the science and technology of interacting surfaces in relative motion. 5. Engineering is one of the most important activities of man. The pyramids of Egypt are earlier engineering achievements. 6. Creative design is an essentially personal achievement. There is nothing automatic about it. 7. Young mechanical designers often have to learn by making mistakes. 8. Tolerance is the stated permissible variation in the size of a dimension. If a particular dimension is to fit inside another dimension, as a pin in a hole, this tolerance is important. 9. There are several methods of joining the parts permanently or semi-permanently, such as by welding, by the use of screw fastenings, and by numerous other special means. 10. A mechanic with a set of wrenches will often tighten a small bolt to a higher initial stress than he should. 11. Transmission shafts are used between the power source and the machine. 12. Torque is a moment, and is therefore equal to a force times a distance. 13. A key is used to transmit a torque from a shaft to a hub or a boss, or from a hub to a shaft. 14. One of the reasons for joining shafts with a coupling is to join units that are manufactured in different locations. 15. A universal joint is a linkage that permits large angular motion in all directions. 16. There are two basic kinds of bearings, those in which the parts in contact slide, e.g. journal bearings, and those in which there is a rolling between parts in contact, e.g. ball bearings. 17. When it is necessary to provide for the transmission of power from one shaft to another that is parallel to it, this is usually accomplished by means of a belt pulley, chain sprocket, or gears. 18. The primary purpose of a clutch is to connect or disconnect two shafts quickly, and that of a brake is to stop the rotation of a shaft. 19. Deformation is undesirable for most of the components dealt with in mechanical design, but a spring is specially designed to deform under load. 20. Wire rope has great strength and long life when used in properly designed applications.